Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to connect your Hostinger email with Gmail. The process is simple and I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. You can also find the link to Hostinger in the description below. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. From there, click on See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with several options. You'll want to click on the Accounts and Import tab. Now, scroll down until you see the section that says Check Mail from Other Accounts. Next to that, click on Add a Mail Account. A window will pop up asking for the email address you want to link. Enter the Hostinger email address that you want to connect, then click Next. On the next page, you'll see an option to import emails from your other account using POP3. Make sure this is selected, then click Next again. Now it will ask for your username, password, and POP server details. You can get this information by logging into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, find the email you want to connect and click on Manage. After that, look for the section that says Connect Apps and Devices. When you click on that, you'll see an option for Manual Configuration. This is where you'll find the incoming and outgoing server details that Gmail needs. Write down or copy the information, including the POP server and port number for the incoming mail. Back in Gmail, enter your Hostinger email as the username, your email password, and the POP server, which will look something like pop.hostinger.com. You'll also need to enter the port number, which you found in Hostinger. After you've filled in the incoming mail settings, you'll also need to enter the outgoing mail settings. This includes the SMTP server and port number. Just like before, enter the SMTP server details from your Hostinger account, which will look something like smtp.hostinger.com, along with the port number. Once you've entered all the details for both the incoming and outgoing mail, click Add Account. Your Hostinger email should now be connected to Gmail. That's it. If you followed all the steps, your Hostinger email is now set up with Gmail and ready to use. You can find the link to Hostinger in the description below.